the tar, fixing engines, fixing hearts, fixing what falls apart. No time to stop, no place to stay. Nails in my pocket, tools in my pack, hammer on my hip and the world on my back. Ain't no map, ain't no track. I'm a lonesome jack. Patch it up, stitch it tight, build a day, fix a night. I'm a lonesome jack. Got a wrench in my soul and a heart full of hope. Wood splinters deep like the lines in my skin. Hammer pounds loud like the storms rolling in. Every break, every bend, rust and rain in my blood, in my veins. Make do with scraps, make do with chains. It's survival, it's the game. I'm a lonesome jack.